Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala Rasulil Kareem. Chairman Dr. Muhammad Manzoor Alam, Shri Harish Singh Rawat ji, Janab K. Rahman Khan Sahab, Professor Zadem Khan, Professor Hasina Hashia, Professor Ishaq Sahab, Farooq Sahab, Najib Sahab, Diplomat Khalid Anwar, and especially Amit Sachdeva sitting there, and all dear friends, too many gentlemen and few ladies. I wish you a very fine evening this time. For me, it's a great occasion because I get the opportunity to say that as regards Institute of Objective Studies, its roots, its shoot, its vision is the best I find reflecting the vision of the Constitution of India. It is reflecting the values of the Constitution of India. It is carrying the values of the Constitution of India. The best one is to give dignity to the human being. And without appreciation, you cannot give dignity to a person. An award is to accept the realities. Had Janab K. Rahman Khan not been opted to be this time for the 10th number of the Lifetime Achievement Award, it would have been a lapse on the part of Institute of Objective Studies in advancing the constitutional values to which it's really committed, devoted, and shall carry on the mission, and it wants to work for the dignity of everyone in this country. One who is illiterate, he should be taught. One who is hungry should get food. One who is unclothed should get cloth. One who is without shelter should get shelter. But who will work for that? Who will work for that? That should be K. Rahman Khan. A brainy guy, a sincere one, and assertive. Read the lines which have been rendered here. And then I would have definitely appreciated if that story would have been told in Urdu. That's more impactful. Though my language of lecture is English, I would have cherished it more. People would have understood what K. Rahman Khan has done. And right from early 70s, he has been very active in public life. Up to that time, he put his hand on the money as any human being can put. But after that, he put his hand on power, but for the betterment and welfare of the people. And there he has come up with one exemplary kind of effort, that's endowments. If we find the best of the virtues, if somebody can do in his life, is to establish an endowment, to promote an endowment, and then to make it function for the benefit of the people. I think that has been done by K. Rahman Khan. And he has understood the things the best. He has worked as a legislator. He worked as an implementer and executive minister, I should say. And then at the same time, he has worked as a benefactor of the people in different jurisdictions. I would say, then what is the take home from this function then on his felicitation? I think everybody needs to be very much assertive. And what multiplies the power, as technology multiplies the power, I think here sincerity multiplies the power. And that gets further multiplied when that is appreciated. And where from that all shall come is definitely that society must be appreciative of such people. Dear friends, life is a challenge. It is a challenge to so many, and it is itself a challenge. And therefore, anytime, whenever such an award is given, what were the challenges before him is very much reflected in his biography.